How to fix your connection is not private on Google. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will be showing you how you can do private browsing on Google. And if you feel like there is a website and it says that your connection is not private, it's not accessible, how you can access it from your Google. So it's really easy to do. You can do this on your laptop PC, or you can also do this on your mobile phone. You can do this on Android or iOS. So for that, you will actually have to go to your phone's Play Store or your App Store. So I'm just gonna go to the App Store right here. In here, we can search for different apps and we can search for the VPNs. So I'm gonna go and search for a VPN. What a VPN does is it gives you a private browsing feature. It allows you to create a private connection, which is different from your simple, access that you have. So it will also allow you to access different websites that are not accessible. It will allow you to browse freely, secure. There are a lot of good VPNs out there, such as we have NordVPN, we have Express, and then there are some free VPNs out there too that you can download. So for a phone, we download the application, and for your Google Chrome on your desktop, you will add the extension. Once you do that, then it will solve your issue of your private browsing. And if you feel like there's an issue accessing a website, then VPN will help you solve it. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.